Okay guys, so welcome to to another part, and sorry for the previous part because it was quite boring and like bad tutorial for at least for me. Like when I was recording it, I was tired, and yeah, I thought that it's so bad. So now I will try to be better and try to explain everything more briefly. And yeah, and we will see. Okay, so we have this done, and the wood done, and let's add some details. So those buttons, etc. And let's add another folder, which is should be above everything. Let's call it details. And now we can add a normal layer, and let's call it screws, so like before, and let's drag it to details. And now if you go to alphas, and we can select the alpha that we want to use. So this shape capsule is nice, and if you select it, you can start drawing on our mesh. But you can see that now it affects the color, and we don't want that. So let's uncheck the color, and we don't want metal to be working also, and the roughness. We only want the height to be working. So now if I drag the height to be a bigger number, so it will pop out, and I change the scale of my brush. So here you can change the scale of it, and if I draw, you can see that I have this some peaks, and we don't want that to be straight. We want to bend it in a bit. So here you can change the angle of it. So let's change it to be rotated more to the right. So about here, 10 degrees is okay. Let's scale it down a bit, and I want to add the spacing between each draw. So 82, let's see if 82 is okay. Okay, it's not, it's too big. 20. If you now hold drag, yeah, it's still too small, so let's add 40. Let's see if 40 works. Yeah, 40 is okay. And as you can see, I added some nice pattern here, thanks to this height. And you can do the opposite if you change the height to be smaller. So if you want some indents, just change to the minus value, but I want it to be high, and that's why I change it to be high value, and it should pop on the second side too. And now we can add some buttons on our mesh. So let's move on. And now we want to add buttons to the metal area. So let's search for a button, and the button is not actually here. You have to go to normal, and it should be around here, and it is called hard surface. And here you should have different kinds of screws. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. And now if you select one of them, and I think the most look like one in Blender and or exactly the same, because they used Substance Painter, I think, when they were making Fortnite. Where is it? Okay, it's this one, screw cross. And if you now select it, I don't know, you can drag it on our as our height here. But first let's change the brush to be different. So go to brushes and let's change to the basic hard, so it will be round and hard. And now we can go to hard surface and let's drag this. Okay guys, so I did some research again. My gosh, sorry. Oh, what is happening? And yeah, after you've changed your brush to be a basic hard, and now we have to check the normal on, because, and uncheck the height, because this screw is the normal information. So you can see this purple thingy, and if it is purple, it means that this is normal. And you have to drag this screw to the normal panel. And now if you start drawing, painting, you can see that there's a screw that you wanted, and you can change the size of it and just play with it. So I want it to be around this height, and this is totally fine. And maybe here we can add some more, like small, I don't know why would you need that, but we can do it, because no one will yeah, just I don't know guys. I don't know what is happening to me. Just don't listen to me. I'm saying stupid stuff. And you can change basically to every normal that you want, and you can start painting on it. So here, I don't know what this is, but you can do it. The vent, I don't know why would you do that, but you can also do the vent, and it's looking pretty cool, pretty nice. And yeah, just play with the things, guys, and see what is looking fun, and just experiment with this. And also, yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff here, like a lot of cool stuff. So you just have to drag and see what is the coolest. And yeah guys, I think this will be it. I don't have more energy. I don't know why guys, I'm so tired. And let's save your file guys, and see you guys maybe in the next one, or this will be the end. I don't know, I'm tired. Oh my gosh. I think I have to take a break guys. So yeah, see you guys and goodbye.